To kick things off, we need to prepare a specimen for testing. This is where X-ray diffraction, or XRD, comes into play. With the help of a Bruker D8 Advanced diffractometer and Kuka radiation, we obtain XRD patterns of the prepared composites. This process is carried out within a tooth range from 10 to 70 degrees. Next, it's time for a little microstructural characterization. This is achieved by employing a Sigma 300 SEM, a model from Carl Zeiss, complemented by energy-dispersive X-ray spectroscopy, or EDS. Specimens are prepared using standard metallographic techniques, ensuring the highest level of accuracy. Now onto the physical properties. The density of the developed composites is determined by Archimedes' principle using a SAB 224 CL density meter. Theoretical density values, on the other hand, are obtained through the rule of mixture, which takes into account the weight percentage of Type B2 particulates. Porosity values play a crucial role too. These are determined by comparing the experimental density with the theoretical density of each composite. The formula for this calculation is as follows. Porosity equals theoretical density minus experimental density divided by theoretical density, all multiplied by 100. Moving on to mechanical properties, the micro-hardness of the composites is determined using a Matsuzawa MMTX 7B Vickers hardness testing machine. With a loading of 100 grams and a dwell time of 10 seconds, 10 different readings are taken. The average of these values is then taken as the hardness of each composite. Tensile strength is another key factor. Specimens are made as per ASTM E8 standard, and the ultimate tensile strength is evaluated using a HICO HLC 693-35 universal testing machine. 3 specimens are tested for each composition to increase reliability in the experimental results. Finally, we examine the tribological properties. Dry sliding friction and wear tests are performed on a Ducom TR20 LEM 5-pin-on-disc tribotester. After the tests, wear tracks and debris are analyzed using SEM. This helps to investigate the effect of various tribological parameters on dry sliding wear and friction behavior of AL 2024 Type B2 composites. In summary, the process of determining the properties of composites involves an intricate blend of XRD, SEM, Archimedes principle, hardness testing, tensile strength evaluation, and tribotester analysis. Each step plays a vital role in painting a complete picture of a composite's physical and mechanical properties. So the next time you come across a composite, remember the meticulous process it went through to be characterized. It's a testament to the marvels of material science.